Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. Well, as you can see, today I have my Macys Beauty Box and I have received this a few days ago, but I watched a lot of other people already unbox this and I already went ahead and unboxed it too. And let me just say I was not too happy with this box. I do not know what they did. This is the second box since they had a comeback. In the first box, fabulous, knocked it out of the ballpark. I absolutely loved it. This box, I'm going to open it and show you everything that they sent. But if this would have been the first box, I'd have just canceled. So I'm going to give them one more month and they better get it together. That's all I'm going to say. Okay, but for those of you who don't know what the Macys Beauty Box is, let me give you the quick little rundown. It's $15 a month, so the price is really good. You are supposed to receive 5 deluxe size samples plus 1 free item, plus a Chic Pouch. And I will leave the link down below if you're interested in that. They also do charge tax on that, so it's $15, but I think it's like 16 something with tax. Okay, so let me go ahead. I'm gonna open it and show you what we got. Now right here on the top, this is how it starts off. Oops, we had to substitute one of the samples in your box. Sorry about that. But I don't think it was one. I think they had to substitute a couple of the items. And on the note it says, but don't worry, we're pretty sure you'll love what we sent you instead. No, I don't. But okay, I'm not going to be too meanie pants. I'm just going to let it go at that, and we're just going to move right into the box. Okay, so here is the first item out, and that is this little tie-dye shopping bag. I guess this is the Chic Pouch that they were talking about that they send you every month. I don't know, not too much chicness going on to me, but let's see what it says about this. Information. It is on the front of the brochure, but there is no information about this little tie-dye tote, so I don't know what the value is. If it couldn't be more than a couple dollars at the most, if that. Okay, and then here is the next item out, and this is, I think this was a replacement, and this is called New Reset Your Skin. Now this one I'm not mad about. This one I kind of was happy when I opened it and actually read what it is. This is a 4-day tryout, and it lets you experience all 4 formulas that make up the system. So they have a system 1 where it's a rebuild. They have a system 2 which is supposed to boost your skin, 1 for balance, and 1 to restore. So for 4 days you get to try each one out and see what you think, and it'll give you the whole, if you would be interested in trying out the whole line of products. And it is a strivectin line, so that's not a bad product. I'm not too upset about that one. Wow, can you hear the rain outside? Boy, we are getting it right now. We're supposed to get strong winds too. So it's a perfect day to go watch some Netflix, which is what I'm going to do. I just said in my last video, I just found out that Crown season 4 is out on Netflix, so definitely go check that out if you haven't yet. Okay, here was another confusing item in this box. This is from SKII 2, or I'm going to say SK2, and this is a facial treatment essence, which I'm assuming is a toner, basically. And this was not supposed to be in here either. We were supposed to get this, which is a lotion. And the lotion was supposed to be valued at $235, full size, of course. This is just a sample size. But even then, they sent completely something different. They sent a toner, so yeah. All right, here is the next one. It's a sample perfume, Mugler, Eau de Toilette, however you say that. And what does it say about this? This one, I think, is supposed to be in the box, finally. This is Angel Angel Cruise, a sunny vacation in a bottle. You'll instantly feel like you're on a tropical vacation thanks to magnolia and patchouli notes. Full-size price of that would be $84. So it's pouring down rain outside and I can pretend like I'm on a tropical sunny vacation. All right, here's another item out, and this is a tan towel, and I will use that. That is not a bad item. It's all right. It's not a wow product, but I will take it. And what it says about this, looking for a faux glow to get you through the winter, this towel gives you streak-free sun-kissed looks minus the UV rays and messy tanning boots. Pro tip, one sheet covers arms and legs. Color will start developing in 2 to 4 hours and will continue up to 24 hours. So I will save that for a holiday where I'm going to be wearing a dress and just need a quick little help on my legs. So I will throw that in my bathroom sink till I'm ready. Okay, here was another strange product coming straight out of Macys Beauty Box. I don't know. They sent us underwear. And these are Jockey, and these are True Fit. Where are these at? Jockey, new, True Fit Promise. Leave it to a great fitting lingerie for a boost of confidence. And these super stretchy bikini cut panties are the perfect place to start. Fits dress size 4 to 14, and the price for this is $11.50. So let's see. I'm a size large, so there's a possibility. Yeah, these are nice. I mean, they're not bad. I mean, they're black underwear, and they look like they probably won't leave any panty lines, and very thin, very stretchy. Yeah, all right, not bad, but do you really expect black underwear in Macys Beauty Box? All right, now we have another perfume, and I'll put that one right there. It's also trial size, and this is John Paul, I don't know how to say his name, and this is a man's limited edition, and it says inspired by Gaultier's childhood days spent in the sun. You'll love this nautical blend of oceanic accord, vanilla, and amberous, and the full size of that is $94. So let me try it. I don't care if it's a man perfume. My husband don't wear clothes or anything, but I will. I have nothing against wearing a man scent. It is very manly. It's very manly. It's not bad. It's all right. Decent smell. All right, and now we have another little tiny, come on. This is not a deluxe sample size. Like deluxe sample size? No. This is so not a deluxe sample size. This is called PYT Beauty Fun-Filled Plumping Lip Gloss. Get fuller looking lips while keeping it natural. Free of parabens, silicones, phthalates, and full of sunflower seeds and avocado oil. For the perfect amount of shine, all you need is one swipe of this gloss. So I don't have a mirror in front of me, so I'm just going to swipe it on here. See if it gives me any gloss, any shine. All right, I have one more product, I think. Or is that it? Oh, no. I have one more product, guys. Hold on. And that's this. And this is Derma Blend Loose setting powder, and totally translucent. This powder works with any and every shade of foundation and will help and will look your look in place. I think they meant and will lock your look in place. The full size value of this is $29. I don't mess with setting powders too much. Especially under the eyes. As we get older, we don't want to put powder there, at least for my situation. I want to keep it moist and dewy as much as I can. But yeah, this was what I received for $15. I think they need to get a little bit better. I don't want to be negative Nancy out here, but I wasn't too thrilled with this box. I will appreciate this, and I will use a toner, and I will use a lip plumper, and I'll use that. But it's just, I don't know, it's just what I was expecting from Macys Beauty Box, you know? All right, well, what do you guys think of this? Let me know in the comment section what you think, and what was your favorite product, and what was your overall impression of it. Okay, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.